Hello everyone, welcome to DeepTechnoElite. I am Deepmala and I am going to show you how to design a responsive website using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and jQuery. To design our website, we need two things. One is the text editor to write our code and second one is the browser to view our web page. You can use any text editor that you want. If you don't have any text editor, let's go to the browser and search for the Visual Studio Code. It's a free text editor and it's available for all the operating systems. You can download it from code.visualstudio.com. So let's download it and install it. It's a simple procedure. I have already installed it, so let's move on. To create a new project, we just need to create a new folder. I am going to create it on desktop and call it as a HTML project. Now go to the Visual Studio Code. You can see this welcome screen here. To open our project, you can select Open Folder in the Start area, or you can go to the File and select Open Folder. Either it is an existing project or you can simply create a new folder. Select your folder. Here we have our project open. Click on the new file icon and create a new file. Call it as index.html. This is the home page of our website. I am going to put here an exclamation mark and hit the tab. A empty HTML template is automatically created here. HTML is very easy and interesting. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. At the top we have doc type. Below the doc type we have HTML tag. Below the HTML tag, we have head tag. Inside the head tag, we have meta tag and a title tag. Below the head tag, we have a body tag. Doc type declaration defines this is a HTML5 document. HTML tag is the root element of the HTML page. Head tag contains the meta information about the document, which is not visible on the page. The title tag specifies the title of the document. When we do the Google search, the title of the website comes in the search result. In the body tag, all the main contents of the page goes here, which will be displayed on the web page. HTML tags comes in a pair like opening or start tag and a closing or end tag. Let's create our first element. I would like to have a heading 1. Here I am going to say hello world. Notice this one. This means that we haven't saved the file. To save the file, press Ctrl S or go to the file and select save. Now, how do we look at our first web page? Well, we have to navigate to our project folder. We have a index.html file. To open up in the browser, double click on the file or just right click and select open with option. Select the browser. This is our first web page we have created successfully. Well, that's all for today's lesson. In the next session, we will start to work on our first web project. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon.